students, I am going to begin chapter 5, Nouns, Number. To understand about nouns, number, look at the pictures and read their names. What is this? Ball. What is this? Bird. What are these? Balls. What are these? Birds. The nouns ball and bird refer to one. The nouns balls and birds refer to more than one. So, the noun that refers to only one person, place, animal or thing are said to be in singular number. And the nouns that refer to more than one person, places, animals or things are said to be in plural form or plural number. So, nouns number is divided into two groups, singular number and plural number. Singular refers to one, plural refers to more than one. Example, ball. Singular number example, ball, bird. And plural number examples, balls, birds. And there are some rules to change singular into plural form. Let's see these rules. Rules to change singular noun to its plural form. So there are some rules. Let's see those rules. Number 1. Add s to singular nouns. Example, boy. When we will add s here, it will become boys and it will be the plural form. Boy refers to one and boys refers to more than one. Similarly, cow, we have added s here to make it plural. Cows. Bird, at the end, what we have added? S to make it plural. Birds. Second rule. Add es to singular nouns which end in s, sh, ch, ss or x. Bus. It ends with s. What is at the end of bus? S. To make it plural, we will add es. What we will add? Es at the end. Bunch. What is at the end? Ch. To make it plural, again we have added es. Bunches. Fox. What is at the end? X. We have added es to make it plural. Foxes. Bush. At the end, what is here? Sh. To make it plural, we have added es here. Class. What is at the end? ss. To make it plural, again we have added es. Okay? Rule number 3. Add s to singular nouns that end in o. We also add es to some nouns that end in o. Radio. What is at the end? O. Y and added IES to make it plural. Ladies. Rule number 5. Nouns that end in a vowel plus Y, we only add S to them. Now, pay attention here. This word end with Y. Just before Y, what is here? What is here? A is a vowel. That is why we are not going to do anything to it, and we simply add S here. What we will add? S. In consonant, before Y, if there will be consonant, we will remove Y. Okay? And then we will add IES. But in case when there will be vowel before Y, we will do nothing. We simply add S at the end to make it plural. Similarly here, toy. Before Y, what is here? Vowel. What is here? O is a vowel. We simply add S to make it plural. In the word key also, before Y, here what is it? E. E is a vowel. So we simply add S at the end to make it plural. Rule number 6. Nouns that end in F or FE. We drop F or FE and add BES. Wolf. What is that then? F. We will remove F. This F will be removed and we will add BES to make it plural. Wolves. Wife. What is at the end? FE. FE. We will remove FE and we will add VES to make it plural. Wife, wives. Some nouns change in different ways. Example, man. It will change in different ways. Men. Foot. Feet. Ox. Oxen. Child. Children. Mouse. Mice, goose, geese. Some nouns do not change in the plural. Ship, ship. Singular form and plural form will be same. Deer, deer. So these all are about nouns, number.